Hi everybody, I want to show you an update on Anim Mod Tool. So we added the live preview, 4 major features, and also one small feature for clearing a root bone offset. So you don't have to get the RM fix tool for this purpose. But in case you want to snap IK bones or change the direction of the animation, I would suggest take a look at it. Alright. Also, we'll be adding one more really cool feature here. So if you guys really like the plugin, I suggest go get it before we up the price. And we'll be doing that after it's finished. Alright, so here are the options. So reverse animation, mirror animation, repeat frames. Basically, you just pick the frame number and how many times you want to repeat it. Maybe you want to exaggerate certain parts, and you can pick as many frames as you like. Okay, next one is the make looped. Well, basically you blend the beginning at the end, like how many frames at the beginning you want to blend, how many at the end. But as you see, it blends the root bone also. In this case, we just want to select pelvis here, and it will like blend all the bones except the root here. Okay, so next one is remove frames. Basically, you pick the from which frame removing should start and how many frames you want to remove. Let's say you want to make animation faster or remove certain parts of the animation that you don't like. All right, next one, this is the big one, the blending. Well, basically it's like on reels, blending top and the bottom. Most cases you'll probably use it for that. Basically just pick the how many frames. The target will be always the top and the source will be the bottom. So right now it plays the target because we did not select the bone from which blending should start. In this case, the lowest bone will be spine, because if you pick pelvis, it's the parent bone. It moves the whole thing, right? So if you pick the spine, the target is the top and the source is the bottom here. You can also pick a certain part of the target animation because it's much longer here. But in case your source is longer, you can pick the start from which blending should start and how many frames you want to blend at the beginning. But usually if it's the top and the bottom, you just pick the 0 here. But also you have an option to end the chain at certain bone. So let's say we don't want to blend left arm, we pick the clavicle. But in this case, with this update, we have clavicle included with the blending, but we will be trying to change this so the arm will not be blending. And you can pick as many changes as you like. If you guys like the plugin, please go ahead and subscribe, press like button, and go get it in the store. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best. Bye bye.